Hi everyone, this is the first official video about Seestar Companion. I'm the developer behind it, and in this video I'll show you what the software is, what it does, and what's new in the latest update, the version 1.0.2. First of all, a very important clarification. Seestar Companion does not stacking, it does not process images, and it does not replace PixInsight, Serial, or DSS. Its goal is different. Seestar Companion helps you understand how good your Seestar session really was. It answers questions like, was this a good night? What helped? What penalized it? And what should I do next? Using it is extremely simple. You just select your Seestar root folder, the one that contains your session subfolders. No export, no configuration, no extra step. Let me show you. You have the menu up here, and just below you have these buttons. Okay, you click on pick your Seestar folder, and just let's go here. In my case is this folder. I have different sessions, different targets, all of them are here. I do select folder. Just for clarification, this is a folder with about 100 gigs of data, and the Seestar Companion just analyzed them in real time in a matter of even half of a second. Just loaded all the sessions and all the data about the sessions. Everything has been analyzed in, as we say, in a blink of an eye. For each session, Seestar Companion calculates a synthetic quality score, but more importantly, it explains the result in plain human language. As you can see here, like in this case, in the first session, just highlighted here, it's great job, well done. Your patient is paying off. So you know what I mean. It takes into account total integration time, target altitude, moon presence and impact, overall consistency of the night. If you have multiple nights on the same target, you can compare them directly. This helps you decide which night was better, if it is worth continuing integration, or if the session should be repeated under better conditions. Let me show you this. Basically, once you load the folder, the sessions, might be even only one session, you can just move between them, with the arrows of the keyboard or simply the mouse. And then, as you can see, the value changed, everything changed based on the particular session. But what I want to highlight right now is this button down here, compare with previous. In this moment is grayed out. As you can see, no previous session for this target yet. Let's move around. If there is anything, like this one, I have a compare with previous, and is this one as well. So the Seestar Companion analyzes the folders, not just the files inside them, and will understand if there are multiple sessions of the same target. In this case, let's say, as you can see, this one example, you see you did your best, and it shows there is room for improvement with more integration time. Let's just click on compare with previous. Now, what you can see is quite simple. We have, first of all, you have your session score with, you have a number, score 57 out of 100. Improvement possible, as you can see, you did your best and it shows improvement possible. There is room for improvement with more integration time. Session score that is evaluated based on different values. The time too short, under 10 minutes. Data, subframes available. Temperature moderate, exposure, typical Seestar range is good. Target altitude 45.9 degrees, which is good. Confidence high, single frame detected, subfolded, the reaction time is measured and reliable. Now here you have a comparison table. So this session and the previous session. Result, what is, as you can see, worst, the total time is worst. Because now it's 5 minutes, but the previous was 3 hours, okay, and 20 minutes. So it's worst. But we have better sensor temperature, as you can see here, and the target altitude as well is better. The score is worse than the previous, which was 80. Obviously, because the time in this case, most probably there is this time here, obviously it doesn't help. Subframes, yes, we have in both sessions, but there is no result because there is no comparison here between the frames quality. About the session, you have all data. Let's go just for one which is not compared, only for simplicity of the user interface, just any. Okay, this is not good. As you can see, don't be discouraged, penalized. This session was too short to show meaningful results. Under 10 minutes, I mean, is not very good. Let's see for something better. This one example. And what you can see here, great job, well done, your patient is paying off, good. Score is 96 out of 100. Time excellent, over 1 hour. Subframes available for a more accurate analysis. And again, temperature, exposure, target, altitude. Now, the session summary, what it shows is the target. So what it was, in this case, M51. Exposure time, in my case, it was 10 seconds per frame. Filter mode, how many lights frame in the sub. And then you have a sort of other important measurement. What is nice, what it was introduced in this new update. So because this is the first video, as I said, but I'm showing the software and also presenting this new update, this new version, the 1.0.2. And starting from this version, Seestar Companion introduces frame quality analysis. So each frame is classified as good, borderline, and not good. This analysis is non-destructive. The software never deletes anything automatically. It's not like I'm taking the good one and I'm deleting what is not good. Absolutely not. It evaluates all frames. Also, you have, let me show you here, first of all, frames quality, total 364, good 364, so borderline and not good are 0, which is the best can happen, and most often will be like this. And the reason is because Seestar itself, when it takes the frames, automatically it does not take obviously what is not good. It usually keeps only the good one already, but just in case, you will know from here as well. Also, you can also do this. If you want, you can enable safe copying the analyzed frame, which is this here, this option. So you click on the tick box, which will enable this button, copy frames, you see. Okay, disable and enable. When you do enable copying analyzed frames and you click copy frames, what we'll do, we'll save the good frames, the borderline and the not go separately. So he will analyze them and then we'll just copy from the original source folder. So he's not going to move or delete anything. We'll copy them and we'll split them in these 3 folders based on the results of the analysis. Seestar Companion is multilingual. The language is multi-language. The language can be changed directly from the app. The software is also under active development, and many features come directly from community feedback, which is very, very important for me. I hear people, what they want, what they wish, and based on that, I just update my software, okay? Also, a Mac OS version is already is planned. It's actually currently under development. It's almost ready, to be honest. Let me show you also what I'm saying here. You have this setting button up here, and you have the language. As you can see, you have 10 different languages. So I'm trying to make the software, let's say, good enough for everyone. What else to say? Seestar Companion is not about automation. It's about, as I said, it's not even about editing of software. There are already many software for edit. The purpose is completely different. Seestar Companion, it's about understanding your data so you can make better decisions and enjoy your time under the sky more. Thanks for watching and clear sky.